Hi guys, in previous video we just saw how to install Strapi version 4 on your local machine. Now let's have a walk through what is new in the Strapi 4 UI and the dashboard. Right, so the first thing I've noticed that we have this documentation and cheat sheet icon here, which is quite handy for somebody who is new. And now as you can see, we can reduce and open this left hand side panel. So let's start with the content manager. So it's exactly like the previous one. A little bit of UI is changed here. The blue background side of menu manager was changed, but all in all the content manager is same, because now you can actually add a new entry to the user content type, and then it will add a user into it, and then collection type, and then it will add a user into it, and then you can create new collections in the content type builder here. So we have permissions, you have roles, and then you have the user content type. I can actually click on the new content type here, collection type here, and then it will create one for me. So that's good. The media library is refreshed. Now you can upload the asset from your computer from the URL both, and you can filter it, you can sort it, and you can select all of them with all these options. Now the most advanced feature which Strapi 4 has included in this release is the plugins. It has not yet been released because this is the earliest version of the beta, but I'm looking forward to it. I'm also guessing that they will release the plugins they will release the plugins which is officially created by the Strapi team, but there will be marketplace section which is listed here where you can create your own plugins for Strapi and then list it here. I'm not sure how the approval process will be or anything, but I'm guessing that it will be listed here. Now let's go to the settings section, and you can see the application with all the details here, your node version, and because currently we are in the community edition, and the pricing, etc. This is nice because now you can see the API tokens generated for any users. Also, the internationalization was one of the feature released in version 4, so you can actually add a locale now. You can select the locale here and select the display name, and then there is advanced settings like you can set as a default, etc. So that's nice. In the media library now you can select the responsive friendly upload, and you can also select the enable size optimization option here. It also gives you an option for auto orientation, which is really nice. So webhooks are old, so it's not anything new, so that's there. Now roles, we used to have 3 roles limitation in previous version of Strapi. I think it is still the same. And then you have author, which can manage the content they have created. You have editors who can manage the content they have created as well as for others. And then you have super admin, and obviously if you want more roles, then you have to get a paid version of Strapi. Then you have the users, which you created via your API or by the admin panel. So currently I just have one. This is your email settings section. Currently, because it is installed on my local machine, so I can't actually configure it, but I can always go into the config /plugin.js section and then update this bit of information. Here are the roles permissions plugin. So you can see the authenticated users will be provided by default to any particular user, and then this is the public one. These are the providers which you can use to authenticate your users. So I think the list is a little bit better than the last version. So we have now AWS Cognito, we have email. We used to have all these options if I remember, and I can see Reddit. I'm not sure if it is new, but it looks new to me. We have email templates, which we used to have before also, and then the advanced settings section, where we have settings like one account per email, enable signups, etc., etc. And then you have reset password page link and your redirection link for your front end. So all these options available, and then obviously you have your profile page here, where you can provide all of the details. So yeah, pretty good actually. I'm pretty impressed with the UI and etc. Now let's jump on creating content type in the next video. We'll also learn how we can publish this app to DigitalOcean with the help of app, the new feature they have launched. Okay, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.